Welcome to DrainVac International. For more than 25 years, we have revolutionized the world of central vacuum cleaners with our complete line of affordable, high-performance, sturdy, easy upkeep products. A central vacuum cleaner is a profitable investment that gives added value to any home, not to mention the savings in time and effort you spend cleaning. Our vacuums have many special features that make them run more quietly than any other system. And because our filters are treated with silver clear antimicrobial protection, they not only eliminate dust mites and microbes, they neutralize odors too. Just plug the flexible hose in one of your wall outlets and you're ready to go. With DrainVac, you can choose a system that vacuums solids only or one that vacuums both solids and liquids. The principle is simple, yet effective. The central unit is installed in an out-of-the-way area and vacuums material through sturdy plastic pipes inside the walls. If you choose this automatic model, running water mixes with dust and dirt, rinses the tank, and automatically empties it into your drainage system every time you vacuum. For a healthier environment, the exhaust is discharged outside. A central vacuum cleaner is no longer a luxury. Thanks to DrainVac International, it's a solution everyone can afford. Let the cleaning power of DrainVac International make your job easier. Our central vacuum cleaners and accessories are designed to outperform.